Good day everyone, you're watching RayTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen or your desktop screen using VLC Player. Now, I have created, in case if you guys don't know how to download VLC Player, I have created a video on how to download VLC Player. I will, at the top of the screen, you will see the link on how to download video or VLC Player. Now, once you have downloaded VLC Player, all you have to do is you will have to open VLC. And once you're on the VLC Player, you will have to click on Media. Once you're on the Media, you will have to click on Open Capture Device. Under Capture Device, under the Capture Mode, you will have to go ahead and select from the drop down, you will have to select Desktop. And once you select the desktop, you can give the frame rate. So here you can give any frame rate as you desire. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to give 15 as a frame rate. And from here, I would go ahead and click on the drop down under play button and click on convert so that I can go ahead and create a new profile. So in order to create a new profile, I will click on profile, and under this option I would go ahead and select MP4, that is MOV, and under video codec I would go ahead and select check this box, and from the drop down I would go ahead and select H-263 and give a profile name as capture 1 and click on create. So once I click on create, now we will have to go ahead and give the destination folder so that whenever you capture your computer screen, the video what you capture will be saved on a particular folder. So the destination file, let me go ahead and click on browse and go to videos, and here I would go ahead and give a folder name called VLC. Click on save. So and then click on start. So right now it is trying to capture the computer screen. Now let me give you a glimpse of it. So you see that timer has been running. So let me go ahead and stop this screen and go back to my videos folder to see if the screen has been captured. So if you go back to the folder here, now this is my computer screen which has been captured using VLC Player. So this is how you can go ahead and capture your computer screen using VLC Player. I hope you find this video helpful. In case if you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There are more videos and computer fixes to be uploaded in future. Thank you for watching. You have a great day and do take care.